how to hide or reveal some of the portions of the image using OpenCV. Folks, Nitin here, and this is the AI University channel. In this video, I am going to introduce the concept of image masking so that we can hide or reveal some of the portion of the image as well as show its implementation using Python's OpenCV. So watch this video till the end. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to this channel, or if you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications about hottest technologies of 21st century. Please show your love and support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this video, as I will feel highly motivated. Also, we now have the AI University Android app and the website, which is in beta mode right now. You can download the code related Jupyter notebooks by enrolling to this course right here on the AI University website. All the courses are offered free on the AI University website. You can access the related quizzes and certificate of course completion like this from our website once I upload all the videos and once you complete all the tutorials including final quiz. So now let's move ahead and understand what exactly is image masking. Well, image masking is significant when you need to improve the image quality. For example, retailers showcase their products on their websites so that customers can buy those products like shoes, apparel, electronics, etc. Now, if the images of the products are of low quality, then chances are that customers might not click on it. The ultimate goal of the retailer is to make the product highlighted. Hence, to cater such requirement, we do image masking, using which we can either change the opacity or use one layer to determine the visibility or transparency of another image layer. We will be making use of concept called as Bitwise operation for doing image masking. So let's quickly open the Jupyter notebook to explain the concept. So first we are creating a square and then a circle. Please note that these shapes have to be of same dimensions, and as you can see here that the dimensions are same for both of them. Also, these images have to be binary, that is either black or white. Now, if you want to get complete Python code related details of how can we create various shapes using OpenCV, then you can watch this video, link of which is given in the I button above. Now let's go ahead and see how can we perform some bitwise operations on them. Please know that I am going to use concepts of logical gates here. So logic gates like and, or, exclusive, or, and, not. We have corresponding logical functions in OpenCV that we are going to use here. So first function is bitwise underscore end, inside which we are passing two arguments, and these arguments are nothing but our square and circle shapes. Similarly, we used bitwise or, bitwise XOR and bitwise not functions in the next set of lines. Please note that bitwise underscore not takes only one argument, and that argument is square, as you can see here, or the square image. Now let's run this cell and see the output. So this first image shown here is related to bitwise end. The white area you are looking at is the intersection of these two shapes, square and circle. So now let's close this image and see the second one. So this second image is related to bitwise or. You can see that both of these shapes are shown here overlapping, right? So circle is kind of overlapped on square, or maybe vice versa. Now let's close this image and see the next one. So this image shown here is related to bitwise XOR, and then let's see the final image. So this is the bitwise underscore not or bitwise not related operation applied on square image. So you can see that bitwise not reverse the color of image from white to black. So these are some of the ways you can do image masking, usage of which you will see in the later videos. So folks, this is it for this video. So in the next upcoming video, I will cover another important topic of the computer vision using OpenCV series. So here is today's question. State true or false. Bitwise not operation generates the output which is an inverse of an image. Please post your answers, comments in the comment section given below so that I can get a chance to incorporate your feedback. You can also post your technical questions in the comment section and I will try to answer the same. If you are watching this video and you are not already a subscriber to our channel, consider clicking that little subscribe button. In case you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I will release a new video. So thanks for hanging out with me guys. I will be covering next topic in the upcoming video, so keep on watching. Thank you.